Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'm going to show you around a stunning 2024 SEAT Arona FR Sport fitted with the 1.5 turbo automatic engine. Now this vehicle, to all intents and purposes, is brand new. It's just over 3 months old and has done under 900 miles. Yeah, under 1,000 miles, 900 miles. And this vehicle is a top of the range FR Sport, so it comes with the micro suede and leather heated front seats, and hopefully this quick video walk around will show you the car and its near new condition really. Now this car should have a list price of just over £29,000, and we're actually marketing this one at just under 22. So in 3 months the vehicle is a £7,000 saving. So it's great value, beats the wait as well. If you order the brand new one, that you could well be looking at a 3 or 4 month build time, whereas this vehicle would be available straight away. It's finished in metallic black, as you can see, with the 18-inch machine finished wheels. Being the FR Sport, you have a whole host of features. The obvious things: cruise control, parking sensors. Being an FR Sport, what sets this model apart as well is the digital dashboard. So if I jump in, I can show you the gear selector, and on the left hand side you have the different driving modes. So you can have a slightly more economical setup or a slightly sportier version, a wireless phone charger, as well as dual zoned climate control. That's the heated seat adjusters. And then when you move up to the media system, you've got this lovely big colour, quick reacting media system with satellite navigation, digital radio, telephone setup for calls as well as streaming ability. A couple of different displays telling you when the car needs servicing, or a shortcut overview of what's going on the media system. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and the beauty of something at this age is that that's wireless as well. Now this also has the paddle shift option, so if you like to change gear manually, then you're able to. There you go, 884 miles, that's all it's covered. Still smells new inside, to be honest, so it's yeah, this is a cracking car. We're really pleased to have it. We don't expect it to hang around, as you can well gather. So if you're looking for a very well specified Arona with the 1.5 automatic engine and you don't want to wait, then please get in touch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.